Hi, welcome back. Another important session. Today, we'll discuss about customer hierarchy detailed in SAP or S4 HANA for all SD modules. So, why this topic is so important? Certain a time. At the same time, this topic is not irrelevant for certain industries. So, what exactly it is? Hierarchy is like if you take organization hierarchy, it has a certain representation. In the similar way, like if it starts from board of directors, after that general manager, after that executive managers, after that your assistant or associate managers, and after that you will have your team leads and your lower level senior consultants, like that, you will have a different hierarchy. Okay, so there is nothing much explain about the term hierarchy actually. So what is customer hierarchy? Your customers also have a different levels in business. The place where you are going to make a sales. The best advantage for is if you apply customer hierarchy, especially for big industries like retail and manufacturing, depends on the goods they are selling, it will be organized. Okay, so that means you will bifurcate your customer structure into different levels. Okay, in another few minutes we are going to see this one. That is the advantage of hierarchy. It is in structured manner. Okay, if you put something in hierarchy, so that the connection points are structured manner. The connection points, we'll call it as a nodes actually. Okay, where and which place it will be connected. So when you talk about customer hierarchy, so in standard it allows maximum 4 levels. Okay, so that is more than sufficient. Till now the industry evolution started from SAP SD. It is continuing wherever it is required. Probably, like in your experience, customer hierarchy might not be implemented by any company if you work a decade, 10 years, but you may see 1 or 2 projects also. Okay, that's why it's set back. It has its own advantages and disadvantages of customer hierarchy. Prime advantage is it will be placed in structured manner for your sales. Okay, what is the approach for your sales game or plan? And second thing is that it will be useful for your reporting. Okay, if once it is in structured manner, it is easy to get the reports, pull the reports, at which level what sales happen and what exactly is going to happen. The third biggest advantage is pricing actually. So you can able to run based on the level, you can able to run the pricing actually. Okay, so before going ahead, let's see. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. This is my Udemy channel. So here 449 videos, and next it is going to be 450. So this is the place where you can able to see I'm holding 3659 students. This is the course SAP SD. Currently it is now in 91 hours. Last we have done LSMW, that also I have updated here. This is one of the prime course for SD consultant. It is like a backup course. You can able to mobile or tab, wherever you want it, you can able to make it a revision. It's a detailed serious course of 91 hours. You will definitely get some confidence to work on SAP SD. Okay, so along with this, if you are interested, then you can go ahead with pricing. This is another 8 hours, and apart from that I have 2 more courses, SAP SD ECC or S4 HANA. Okay, so these prices from Monday to Friday it varies, it fluctuates. Okay, so irrespective of any module, if you wanted to become an expert getting master to write functional specification, this is must be needed for if you are from SD or MM or FI. Here dedicated 7 hours for this course. If you want, you can subscribe. So S4 HANA, if you are not introduced, you can try all these courses. In pricing also I have created advanced, total 21 hours. If you want, you can subscribe these courses and you can enhance your knowledge. So if you properly do all these courses, okay, so then you will get very good knowledge to get survive in real time actually. Okay, probably this is not going to end. In future also I'm going to add whatever the knowledge I have. Okay, so let's get into the topic. So let's crack the customer hierarchy part by part today. So customer hierarchy structure actually. Okay, you can see this. This is the customer hierarchy structure. I'm going to explain with one very good example. Okay, let's click retail industry. I'm just taking an example. Most of the time, see it is in retail industry. I have seen in manufacturing also. It depends on the usage. Okay, first level you do your company. So this retail industry is in the sense here it may be Walmart, it may be like Unilever, it may be like Tata retail chain. Okay, it may be like uh, hmm, pharmacy if required, Rambaxi, and if it is manufacturing like Honeywell, and you take any industry. I'm just giving a general example. Any retail industry or any manufacturing industry, wherever you would like to implement this one. Okay, so now let's get into this topic. So this is the first node. Okay, let's see. You have divided your retail industry into national first. Okay, national means like for example, your company is located in Germany. Within the Germany, whatever the sales it is going to happen for your customer hierarchy. So if your company is located in India, like Rambaxi, where the sales must be allocated domestic level at a national level within the country level. You can say that country based level. National I have given means country level hierarchy. This one. Okay, this is the first thing. And if your company is located in USA and USA level, national. If it is outside, that we will call it as a global. That we're going to see in another few seconds. So now see the first level, national. Here premium is there. Okay, premium means, for example, if I take an industry, so premium segment of products in my uh, you know my product hierarchy also will be there. How we have customer hierarchy. So all my premium products. Okay, for example, if you take Hyundai, Alcazar and above. Okay, you Verna and all these things, all these are the premium cars. And if you come to middle segment, uh, Hyundai, Ara, and if you take i20, all these are middle segment cars. Okay, and below comes to Santro and all these things. Okay, like that, if it is cars, then it is premium. In the similar way, if you go for Unilever also, some premium cookies will be there. Okay, premium shampoo will be there. Okay, luxury products will be there. If you take L'Oreal products, okay, so that also, if you take in the sense, in that also luxury will be there and sample packs will be there and all these things in that sense. Okay, you can take anything, normal products, premium and normal. Okay, casual people use casual products. Sometimes casual people can become rich and they can use premium products. Okay, so why the sales is happening at normal level and premium level, this is the thought for their industry after segmenting. So what actually turnover at this level, what actually turnover, what kind of customer base I have in premium. Suppose Laurel, if you take, and you take a Johnson and Johnson, if you take some other competitor. Okay, so Imami and all these things will be there. So they are also launched premium products. So what is my customer base, what is my customer segmentation? So don't get into all those things. Okay, so they're going to classify. Okay, next level, modern trade malls. For example, if you take malls like Big Bazaar. Okay, like any Aditya Birla Group, any Bazaar, big malls, whatever the total malls, whatever the malls, I need to sell my premium products. Okay, as well as local trade also, normal products also. So modern trade, if you take central malls, probably I have more utilization of the customer walk-ins to keep my premium products over there compared with the local trade. Even I will keep it. It depends. Okay. Finally, I want more money, then I just need to do the conversion in my business. Okay. So you can look at this hierarchy: level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, final customer, modern trade, mall walk-in customers, and have a local trade, maybe small shop or else my company owned outlet and all those things. In the similar way, Here also normal also I will concentrate normal products also I'm going to keep in local trade and both the places, and here also customers also there. And I'm just giving an example, it can be any customer. For a sample, I just kept customer 1, customer 2. So if you see this hierarchy, okay, so probably if I run promotion for modern trade malls, these two customers will get 10% discount than these two customers. But local trade customers, if they 100 also, they won't get it. So in the similar way, if I run this level my pricing, so this will be applicable to this one, not to modern trade. For example, if I'm running promotion premium level, okay, premium products, product wise I'm running, so such a case I can able to concentrate my customers division based on modern malls and local trade. Both the places I can get a discount actually. Suppose national campaign I'm running irrespective of uh, any product, whether it is premium, national wise I can able to run for my premium customer, national wise I can able to run for normal customer. For all kind of customers I'll get it. This is how the hierarchy will take in place. Okay, around it, this we'll call it as a node. The connection point is called a node. Here I have represented with arrows. Probably we can able to see the same thing on SAP system in a detailed manner. Okay, so this is one of the finest way of representing your hierarchy. Okay, so to understand this is one of the uh, I feel that it is one of the greatest invention from SAP side to represent their customer at different levels by connecting them in structured manner. Okay, see the interest, you also build it, then you can learn it. Okay, so first level is this one, second level is this one, third and fourth, like that. Okay, so now see this, it came just like that. Okay, so global, actually retail industry in national and global. Outside of, for example, my customer is located in Germany, then it is fine. If it is outside of the customer, he'll take a space here, global level, and after the premium, okay, 1 2 3, and either modern or local level, 4 levels global trade also will happens. So if I, so being an international presence for my sales, I can able to diversify my business how I want it. This is one of the representation to understand psychologically how it goes. Retail industry, then country wise and global wise. Within the country wise, premium and normal customers. Within the premium, I will get a modern trade malls like Central and all those things, direct pointing. Normal also, I'll get modern trade malls like Big Bazaar and a small kind of total mall and all these things. Local trade means like shops, distributors, whatever you take. Okay, here the customers might be like distributors, wholesalers, or retails, or direct customers, anything. The smalls is, I think you can better understand. There is nothing much to explain this diversification of this business. Okay, so if you're really interested, we can get continue. Okay, so the transaction code for this customer hierarchy is VDH1N actually. Let's see this. I don't want to show anything now beyond this one. This is the transaction. Let me put it again with or else do one thing. Let me keep the /n VDH1N. Okay, so now you can able to give the, what happens if you give the lower level. For example, if you go back to hierarchy, whatever I explained, if I'm giving the customer 1, so I haven't created anything, it's on live. So customer 1 we're going to create, don't worry. If I created this customer, so it will trace it back to customer 1 is connected to modern trade mall, and again it is connected to premium from this national, and it will go to your industry. This is how your hierarchy will show automatically. Okay, that is the reason why For example, if you give the customer at lower level, it will go to the above level and above to the top. Actually, if you give in the middle level, and it will go and go to that level and above to the top. For example, if I am giving only normal, from normal level to national, and it will go. So if you look at here, what is the constant here? Most of the times, if you come here, 1, 2, these two, and till here, normal, these levels, everything is constant in a hierarchy node, because premium means premium. I'm just creating that segment. I'm not going to, probably if I might have then premium 1 and premium 2, that is different, still I can able to continue here in my hierarchy. So here modern trade malls also fine for me, local trade and modern further division, these also comes better. But what exactly it is going to change, it change customer 1 if I created, this is the end customer. Okay, so this hierarchy, actually if you see the normal customer creation xd01 or xd02, you will not find this hierarchy anywhere. That means this completely hold by another account group. Okay, that's how the SAP came into picture. Also we'll see in another few minutes. And these customers, anyhow, you are representing where, as a direct customer, you take any account group, either standard or copied your own account group from your company side. Okay, here many things comes into picture, but in high, with the help of this transaction, we're going to connect this, all these things. For example, let's see this, what exactly standard hierarchy A is there. Okay, what is that? Standard hierarchy A is there. So why you don't have A, B, C, D, and D? Let's see this. This is the top notch, top node of your hierarchy. Okay, H represent hierarchy. Let's come here. Let me click on F1. So you can see this, what it is saying, the uses. Probably you can see. Let me share this one. Okay, this is the help. Specify the customer hierarchy, pricing or statistics. Statistics, what? So he told about his own language. This is hierarchy structure. That's what I'm talking about. This is pricing. The customer hierarchy type is used for following purposes. One is to identify the purpose of particular hierarchy. That means your structure mannered, and to determine accounts allowed for hierarchy. That means you can make it. You can take the flavor of uniqueness for your account groups when you are connecting with that, to determine organization data allowed for hierarchy. So which organization data allowed for hierarchy? So if you have 5-6 sales areas, each and everything you might not require to create in representative manner. Okay, so it might be outside of your hierarchy also. Then you will, for example, some customers are there, for them some vendors are there, like, you know, for them you are selling only empty boxes or something like that. Such a case, I don't require to get participate in my hierarchy forcibly if I have another customer base, for example. So if I have another business, so if you take what you call Reliance Electronics. Okay, Reliance having their own direct sales, on top of it they have a corporate sales, and apart from these two, they might supply the goods to other companies, wholesalers and retailers also, maybe another country or somewhere. That is fine for me. If Reliance is doing in finance or petrochemicals, on that case, probably I might find a direct customer. I don't require to get represent each and everyone in a hierarchical sales area. Petrochemicals one sales area, and your vegetable selling one sales area, and my electronics one sales area. Electronics, probably I might require that hierarchy at different levels to get continue with the sales with my distributors and the direct company owned outlets, or else maybe my supply to any wholesalers and retails for that matters from Reliance side. I might be the bigger vendor to supply all these goods, buying the goods at cheaper rate. Okay, such a case I don't need it, right? Petrochemicals and other stuff. Okay, you got my point. I have given extensive explanation. I think with this you can understand. So why the connection point is node, actually why we are connecting, to make them in structural format to represent in SAP. Okay, so that you can pull your reports right either in BW or else in a ALV report logic and give to your customer. Okay, and again second is for your pricing. Okay, if you maintain hierarchy, enter relevant hierarchy type. That's what it's saying in standard system. Customer hierarchy is A. As of now, what happens, you cannot able to create your own hierarchy. There is no history for me last 10 years. I have seen the hierarchy in real time, but there is no point to create it also. This is sufficient to can reutilize how you want it after having a discussion and having a plan with your customer. Okay, so now let's go back here. That's why I told you, if I give the local and local above, it will come. If I give the bottom level of the end customer, it will give to the top 4 hierarchy levels, it will show. Okay, so generally what happens, I don't have any data now, I haven't created. Let's see, we'll create on live actually how extend it works for me. So someone has given some, let's take some example existing ones someone might have created better. So let's execute this. See, someone has created greenfield, Middle East and South. Okay, let's go if anything. All these are not created by me, frankly saying. Let's see this. Someone has created better than this. Let me try to. So let's take this guy. See, someone has created headquarters. Okay, see this regional storage warehouse. Within that, he made one more, like 2 markets he has defined. So our example is very understandable, but you must have details discussion with them. So like suppose someone has created Miami. So let's click this. So for example, if someone has created here, let's copy this 6004. So he made it headquarters, and after that these two, and within headquarters regional storage Trenton and Miami. So let's give 60004. What exactly happens? This is the lower level. So see here regional and headquarters. We got assigned at multiple levels, so that's which came. Okay, so let's look at this one. Los Angeles, Toronto, this one. 3 levels he has created. Let's see this one. Okay, well, probably we'll try to concentrate next. Decode, you got it. Configuration. Okay, let's go back with confidence with configuration, what exactly it is, and let's try to crack it down where it is. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's all for today's session. Thank you so much. We'll catch up in next session. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Jai Hind.